way to the fish camp, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we just picked up some provisions from Wally World. And we're gonna head out there. This is an off-grid cabin. Had some pretty bad flooding recently, so we lost a bunch of our bank, lost our fish cleaning station, lost land, got some repairs to do on the building itself. So we're gonna head out there. Me and my ride or die back there, eating some Walmart popcorn chicken nuggets, and they're actually pretty good. So we're gonna head out there, and then I have an awesome light that I want to install, which I will get to that. That was sent to me. They did not pay me to do that. They sent it to me, and we're going to go over that as well. So we put over the fish cleaning stations. We have a nice area to cut our bait and all that kind of good stuff. So it's going to work out perfect for that. We will see you when we get to the boat ramp. We made it out to the fish camp. The disastrousness that it is. Let me show you around a little bit. This is the bank, which we lost 30 or 40 feet here. At least another 10 feet, 20 feet behind the boat is where the shore used to be. Now it kind of looks like this. You got Addie Grow up there. Of course, the log that wasn't there. All this stuff here. Whoa! It is muddy and slippery. This is our generator shed. All its tools and generator. Our electric line here goes to the generator, plugs into the house panel inside the house. Some ladders and stuff here. We got our water collection system, which doesn't look very level and stuff anymore, but it used to be. There used to not be mounds of dirt right here. Obviously there is now. Gutters to collect the water as it goes in. Got a couple of solar panels. We have 2 batteries underneath the cabin here that run the water pump for the toilet and the shower and so forth. They seem to be operational. Hot water heater. Water just pumps out of that, comes into the pump here. As you can see, a couple batteries hooked up. Our septic system is leaning pretty good. And we got AC in just about every room inside the cabin, because it gets hot out here, and it is not fully insulated inside. There used to be a nice cabin right next to us, about 50 yards. It's gone, completely gone. You can see this one across from us, sitting in the water now. And they spent a lot of time and effort and money into that thing over the last couple of years, making it really nice. It is no more. See this one over here? You used to have some bank on the outside out here and a nice bulkhead and everything. Just took it all. It's gone. You need to cut up some logs, get this place cleaned up, see if we can get the lawnmower started. We got a lawnmower in there. See if we can get the lawnmower started and start working on this place. So we're gonna put the fish cleaning station right here, attach it to the house. I'm gonna put that big light up here where that one is. That one's like 500, 750 watts or something like that. It doesn't pump out near as much. Lumens is the one I brought, so that's gonna be perfect to put it right there. So fish cleaning station. We got our backup sink, everything right there to put it on. And we'll see if we get this place cleaned up a little bit, get some rod holders. Piece of the roof is flapping on the opposite side over there, so we're gonna have to get on the roof and secure that before it gets blown off. See all of our grills, good for cooking, obviously. Big window unit. I have radio out here connected to a couple of speakers, and it runs back all the way down to the batteries in the back of the cabin. It's nice and shaded up here at least, but it's a pretty view. It was prettier. We're gonna make it pretty again. All right, everyone, I'm gonna do this, install this light. I got this one, they shipped it to me. This is GJIA. I'll put their link in the description, the website and everything. They sell all sorts of kind of commercial lighting. High bay lights, LED, linear high bays, LED pack lights, LED parking lot light, which is what I got today. I got the parking lot lights, 150 watts, looks awesome. Dock lights, work lights, string lights. They have all sorts of kind of lights, commercial lights. Like I said, I'll put their link in the description. So just going to unbox this thing. I have pulled it out already. It's packaged really well. It's got foam all over it. It came to me, so we're going to unpackage this real quick. And this is pretty heavy, so you know it's a commercial product. Got a mounting plate on the back here. This is the 150 watt LED, and so we're going to install it like a typical light. It's got dimmable stuff, which we're not going to use, but we will use everything else, the black, the white, and the green as usual. We're going to put it on an extension cord because that's what we have here at the fish camp. And I think this is going to be a really big improvement on what we have out here. So let's take these wires. It comes with 5, like I said, a couple of them are dimmable ones, which we're not going to use. It has a photo cell right here. Basically just plugs in the top, really easy. Kind of looks like a 20 amp, but it's not. Just plugs in, and that's it. Oh, you can see it. So it just plugs in the top here. Looks nice and waterproof. It's got a nice mounting plate on it. This is their parking lot. They also call it I think they call it a shoebox light. I'm not sure, I've never heard that before. But it's really gonna stick out just like this. It's got the photo cell, which is gonna be great for us. Like I said, we're gonna install it with an extension cord. Just plug in the wires in like it's supposed to, and it should be good to go. We'll mount it, and we'll see how bright it is when it gets dark outside. Like some things, they don't come in instruction manuals, and this came with a pretty good one. It comes with pictures, and everything's in English, which is really nice. It gives you the wiring diagram at the bottom there. It's an LED shoebox light, 150 watt LED, waterproof. Of course, it's commercial. It's a parking lot lamp or light, so it's supposed to be outside. So this should last really good out here. Look at that coat. Sut dog. God dang, it's all blurry. Hold on.
I think looks good, man.
Best light we got out here?
Yep. Like it.
That, I hope, is gonna light that up a lot. So when it gets dark outside, we'll see what it looks like. So pretty easy to mount. They came with a back plate, so we hit all the wires behind there. Photo cells up top. We didn't adjust any of this here, but it could be up, tilted up and down depending on the angle you want. Extension cord is going to go down, it's going to plug in down there. Should run it good. Alrighty. As you can tell, it is working pretty good. It is a parking lot light, so the higher it is, the better it would be, but this is about as high as we can get it fairly comfortably. We probably could go up another foot or so, but it's lighting it up pretty good, I would say. The light is nice and clear, and we're excited to have it. So for many, many times of cleaning fish right there, and baits and all that kind of good stuff, we appreciate it. Sorry to leave you off there with not much of an outro. We're also getting ready for Hurricane Beryl. We live in the Houston area. We're getting ready for that, so I had to get home, get everything charged up, generator running again, and gas and the whole deal, some provisions, some water. But that light's pretty great. We did end up mounting it a little higher and was able to change the angle a little bit, and so it worked really, really good. So I'm happy with that, so I appreciate them sending it to me. Like I said, that link will be in the description if you're interested in any of those lights, mostly exterior lights, but they're pretty great quality. You can see for yourself, link in the description. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.